Hello students, in this video we are going to study one theorem related to the bipartite graph. Okay, so a simple graph is bipartite graph if and only if it is possible to assign one of the two colors, different colors, to each vertex of the graph so that no two adjacent vertices have the same color. Okay, so you can call a graph as a bipartite graph if you are having an edge between two vertices, so you should be able to give a different color. Like suppose this is a red color and this will be blue color, so this graph is a bipartite graph. Okay, so and suppose one more node is here, so you should give here blue color because it is a neighbor of red colored. So this graph is a bipartite because we are able to give two different colors to the complete graph. Okay, so the simple graph where you are able to assign one of the two colors to different to each vertex of the graph. Okay, so in this way no two adjacent nodes should have the same color. Okay, so we will see this example. Can we give the two different colors to this all the vertices of this graph? Okay, so we will start with this vertex A. So let's say vertex A we are giving red color. Okay, so all the other neighbors of vertex A should have the different color, that is blue color. Okay, so what are the neighbors of A? G is a neighbor of A because there is a connecting edge, so G should have blue color. Then A is connected to C, so C should have blue color. A is connected to F, so F will have blue color. And A is connected to E, so E should have blue color. Okay, so next we will go for the your node B. So in node B, so for node B we will check what are the neighbors of vertex B. Vertex B is having F as a neighbor, E as a neighbor and C as a neighbor. So if you observe, F, E and C are already colored with blue, so we have to essentially give red color to your node B. So node B is having red color, right? Now which vertex is remaining? That is vertex D. So vertex D, if you observe, all the neighbors of vertex D are having blue color. So you can check E is having blue color, F is a neighbor having blue color, G is a neighbor of D having blue color, and C is a neighbor of D having blue color. So we have to give red color to your this vertex D. So all these vertices we have given color, and what our theorem says, you should use only two different colors to give colors to these vertices. So there are two groups we have found here. So in red color, that is set A, red colored vertices are A, B and D. Okay, so this is our set 1 where you find this is the set 1 of the graph. And in set 2 which is having blue colored vertices, so in blue colored vertices, so blue colored vertices are, see, in blue color we are having C, E, F and G. So this is your set 2. So there are two sets we have found that this graph has two sets. So this graph will be called as bipartite graph. So this graph is a bipartite graph. So we will see the definition of bipartite graph also says that if you take any edge of this graph, this edge should connect the vertex from red colored set and the vertex from blue colored set. So for an example, take this edge, that is A to E, this is connected. Okay, A to E is connected. So you will find A is from red colored set and E is from blue colored set. So take example of any edge, let's say this edge, that is from B to C. From B to C, the B belongs to the red colored set and C belongs to the blue colored set. So if you pick any of these edges, you will find at one side there is a red colored vertex and on another side this is a blue colored vertex. So this is a bipartite graph. So a graph can be bipartite if you are able to give two different colors to the edges, that is vertices of the graph. Okay, so this we have seen. Now see one more example. If you are able to bipartite this graph, like this graph is bipartite or not, many of the time this example asks. So suppose we give red color to A, so you should give blue color to B and blue color to F also. Okay, so and also E is also blue color, right? So this is completed. Now take the example of, yeah, but here see, here also, here only this condition is not valid, because if you check F, vertex F and vertex E, they are neighbors, they should not get same color, so this condition violates. So no adjacent vertices are assigned same color, so H, this graph is not bipartite graph. So this graph is not bipartite graph, right? So we have checked that this graph is not bipartite. Now complete bipartite graphs are represented by this notation K23, means 2 nodes in one set and 3 nodes in one set. Every vertex from set A is connected to every other vertex of set B. That is called as complete bipartite graph. So K33, that is 3 vertices in one set and 3 vertices in another set. This edge is connected to every vertex in other set. Now this set will be having all red colored, this set will be having all blue colored, so our condition also satisfies. Okay, so this was about the bipartite graph and the trick of coloring the bipartite graph. Hope you understood. Thank you.